Hi there, it's George here. A few days ago I posted a video about how I received some seeds from California like a gift from a friend, Todd, and he sent, I said in that video that some envelopes are on the way, and well, they arrived, all three envelopes here, and the seeds inside have to see, so excited, and thanks so much, Todd. Awesome, have to open this and then we'll see what seeds we got there. And let's choose one is this. As you can see, well, I have to open. Careful. And here we go. Such a beautiful picture. California. Awesome. As you can see, many thanks, Todd. And here are some varieties, I'm gonna show you close up as well. Hi George, there are our first seeds, California spruce and Christmas peppers. The peppers plant have different colored peppers and on the plant they look like Christmas lights. Enjoy, more on the way. Okay, thanks. As you can see, another envelope. Let's open and see what is inside. And here we go, such a beautiful picture with this flowers, amazing. As you can see, just brilliant. And let's see what seeds are there. California poppies. Yes, wow. This. Amazing, have to plant in my garden, such a beauty. Hi George, there are California poppy seeds. This is our state flower of California. When you plant, don't cover with soil. Just press them on the top of moist soil. Enjoy, Todd. Thanks for the tips, Todd, and I'm gonna plant above potting soil, And this is the last one, and let's open and see what's inside. Such a beautiful picture. Awesome. Redwoods. These are sequoia. Amazing. And here are the, oh my god, bamboo. I love to grow bamboo. Bamboo is number 2 of my favorite plants. And here we go, black bamboo. Amazing. And the Monet Maker tomato. As you can see here. Hi George, here are black bamboo and Monet make tomato. These tomatoes produce a lot of tomatoes. Cheers, Todd. Awesome, Todd, many thanks for all these seeds. I hope they will germinate, I will plant them. As well, I planted already that seeds which I show you in the last video. So kind of Todd, I'm gonna show you right now close up these beautiful seeds. Well, I'm ready to show you more close up these seeds, amazing seeds and beautiful pictures. Very beautiful, as you can see this California poppies. Hope I pronounced it correctly. Anyway, so greetings from California. These plants, pepper seeds, and California spruce. Okay, here we go. Next are this variety, and here we go, we can see seeds. Awesome, so many seeds. Awesome, just poppy seeds, okay. And the tomato seeds and black bamboo, as you can see here. Just have to sow all the seeds soon when I will have time. Some looking sequoia trees. In the picture, look how big tree, gigant. Black bamboo. Love to grow bamboo. Well, many thanks Todd again for these amazing seeds, and I really appreciate. So these beautiful pictures are awesome, just look at them. As you can see, the sequoia. Okay, I love them all. Well, thanks for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And if you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in the description. See you next time. Bye bye.